If you clicked on this video, chances are things feel a little off between you and your partner. All right. You're not quite where you used to be. And that connection, well, it feels like it's fading. Guess what? You're not alone. And most importantly, it's not the end. It's an opportunity to rebuild and restructure. So I'm going to share with you why that emotional distance may be happening and how to close the gap with love, with patience, and with intention. All right. So let's talk truth. Even the strongest relationships can go through seasons of distance. You love each other, but some things changed. Maybe it feels like you're just roommates or like you're speaking two different languages. Here are some reasons why that could be happening. Now, number one, life stress, work, parenting, finances, health. Life is a lot. And sometimes survival mode, it takes priority over connection. Two, lack of communication. All right. Not just talking. I mean, really talking, sharing your heart, listening without interrupting. That emotional intimacy fades when we stop being present. All right. Three, unresolved conflicts. When you sweep things under the rug, eventually you're going to trip over it. So your past arguments, your hurt feelings or silence can create emotional barriers. Number four, different love languages. You may be showing love, but not in the way your partner needs to receive it. So learning each other's love languages is very powerful and super important. All right. Number five, disconnection from self. Sometimes we feel distance from our partner because we're disconnected from ourselves. You can't pour into a relationship when your own cup is empty. Now that we've named it, let's fix it. All right. Healing is possible. Reconnection is possible. And it starts with being intentional. So tip number one, open up, even if it's awkward. Sit down with your partner without distraction. Share how you feel, not to blame, but to open a door. All right. Use I statements like, I miss us, or I feel like we're growing apart and I want us to grow together again. Tip number two, schedule time for just the two of you. No phones, no kids, no bills, just you two. Date nights, walks, talking before bed, time together without task. That brings closeness. All right. Tip number three, show appreciation daily. We forget how powerful a simple thank you can be. Remind your partner that they're seen and valued. All right. Gratitude it really softens your heart. Number four, relearn each other. Who your partner was 5 years ago may not be who they are now. Ask new questions, laugh together again, rediscover what you loved about each other before. Tip number five, seek help if you need it. There's no shame in counseling, individual or couples. There's no shame in it. Sometimes having someone guide the conversation can work wonders. All right. Love isn't always loud. Sometimes it's quiet. It's choosing each other every day, even when it feels hard. If you're in a if you're in a season of distance, I want you to remind yourself, could be the turning point, not an ending. It takes two people willing to show up, open up, and work together. But when you do, the intimacy, the joy, and the understanding that comes next, it's deeper than anything you've ever had before. So listen, if this video spoke to you, please hit that like button and drop a comment below. Let's start a conversation about this. Have you been in this season? How are you working through the season? All right. Let's grow together, one conversation at a time. Don't forget, love deserves effort. You deserve connection, and reconnection is absolutely possible. All right. Don't forget, love being you. Bye for now.